Guys, welcome to the world debut of the all-new 2022 Lexus NX. In this video, I'm gonna give you a personal walk around of this brand new luxury crossover and tell you all the specs and all the latest information. Actually show you Lexus's next generation all-new infotainment system as well. So let's get going. Here it is, guys. As you can see, it's an all-new style. It's their compact luxury crossover that they have worked extensively on to just completely redesign and make it all new and very cool. And it's gonna have up to 4 different powertrains. And I'm gonna show you as much as I can right here as far as the back seat, the interior, the technology, and as well as some of the powertrains. 2.4 liter turbocharged engine, 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. And this puppy has made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, transmissions and engines vary depending on which model you get. And Lexus is offering more than ever as far as powertrain options. And here you see the all-new design from the rear as well. Something to note, which is very unique now for 2022 NX, Lexus is spelled out this way. So if you remember, obviously, they didn't have this before. This is the first vehicle basically to have it. This one right here is labeled as an NX 350 all-wheel drive. And I'm gonna show you several other models as well as kind of B-roll pictures, but also for the first time ever, a plug-in hybrid NX is gonna be available as well. This one right here is an F-Sport, which is one of their sportier trims, as you can tell by wheels and tires and some other elements. And here's the brand new front end design, including this main light area and the signature right here that goes all the way up front. So what Lexus is doing is actually, they're giving it more power choices, plug-in hybrid, also hybrid, all-new design up, of course, outside, and you can kind of see how the hood just slopes all the way down here into the spindle grille. And of course, in the comments below, let me know what you think about this brand new NX. And of course, Lexus was kind enough just to give me very personal access to this car, which is very, very special. So let's take a look on the inside right here. So first of all, updated interior all the way around, but this is the big story. It's the infotainment system. Lexus is calling it the new Lexus Interface. And it's a brand new system. And obviously in this model, this F Sport right here, it's on this gigantic 14-inch screen. And you can see there's still some hard buttons and knobs, like the volume, the temperature controls right here for the passenger. But this is an all new design. They're saying from the ground up, completely new. The screen is a very high resolution screen. I hope you can tell that from this video. And they're saying it's easy to use. Obviously, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is available, so you can connect even wirelessly with your phone. But just take a look here. Very quick, very high resolution mapping features, and they have this new menu on the left. Very easy to reach, very easy to understand. They also have access to Apple Music, so if you have an Apple Music account, you can directly go in there. Your phone device connections, your basically car controls. Of course, all-wheel drive is available, and you can see a lot of the different information about your vehicle right here and your general settings. And of course, if you wanted a heated steering wheel, you could do it. Ventilated seats, you could do that as well. So I kind of like this. My first impression of the system is very positive because most of my controls that I use often are very visible. I don't have to dig down and I don't have to figure out what I need. I can reach it very easily. Rear view mirror camera, of course. You can see some of the latest controls, including, of course, cruise control systems and driver assistance technologies is over here. Your engine start button. Here's your shifter. It's similar to some other Lexus vehicles, but it has a brand new design. Here's a wireless charger for your phone, a couple of other wired chargers. You could actually slide this open, revealing a kind of a cubby hole right there. Of course, you have your cup holders in this area and a Mark Levinson stereo system. Of course, this is a Lexus and everything looks and feels very premium. There's a heads-up display right here, your main gauge cluster. Your drive modes is over here, from Eco to Sport Plus. So let me show you some of the door handle is very unique now as well. So as you can tell, I just put my finger in here and open the latch. There's actually a button behind this, so it's electric open. If there's an issue or something is happening with the battery, there's also a manual override right here, which is actually a mechanical connection. And on the inside, you can push this. You can kind of hear the lock, or a manual override, of course, like this. So Lexus is thinking of everything, of course, just to make it a little bit more luxurious, a little bit more high-tech, but also mechanical. So you have, ability to override the systems. In the back, here's the back seat area. Like I said, panoramic sunroof is available right there. You can see it all the way across. Here we go once again. This is an F Sport and has quite unique interior as well. If this was a plug-in hybrid, it would also have a little charge port on the passenger side right here. And you would be able to charge it. The plug-in hybrid can go about 36 miles on a charge. It's a very similar system to the RAV4 Prime. Here's the hatch. Here it is, you can kind of see that. It has this particular luggage cover, little luggage cover. Of course, you can remove it. Very simple again, which I like. And here, a decent amount of space. Here, of course, you can lower the seats down and make the space a little bit larger. And there is some storage underneath here, under the floor. Right now, there's some cover and other equipment here, but you can kind of see that, little nets. Let me close this up so you can get another look at the new NX. And of course, the signature LED light that runs across the entire back of the vehicle. And also, the style element here on the bottom as well. Right here. So use the comments in the section below. Let me know what you think about this brand new NX. It's going to be available later this year. Pricing is not yet announced. The current NX starts at around $37,000, and of course goes up with options and also front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive capability. Most of these, Lexus say, will be all-wheel drives with different powertrains, starting with a naturally aspirated one, and of course this turbo one that has an 8-speed automatic, and of course the hybrid and the plug-in hybrid. So there you have it, and go back to TFLcar.com for all the latest news, views, and real world debut reviews. Thank you.